Hey, Deanna Clark here, Clark-Esposito Law Firm. I'm here to talk about what are the new Section 122 tariffs. Now, with the exit of the IEEPA tariffs, IEEPA standing for the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, with their exit, IEEPA exit, came the entrance of the Section 122 tariffs, which came via the February 20th presidential proclamation entitled imposing a temporary import surcharge to address fundamental international payments problems. Okay, so these were issued pursuant to Section 122 of the Trade Act of 1974. It imposed an additional 10% ad valorem duty on imported articles from every country for a period of 150 days, unless specifically exempt. Now, in terms of its application, okay, it commenced at 12:01 a.m. Eastern Time, February 24th, 2026. They're going to run through 12:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on July 24th, 2026. And this new tariff classification and additional duty rate applies under the heading 9903.03.01. As with pretty much any new tariff rule, there are exceptions, and these range from simple ones, such as that of travelers returning to the US with products intended for personal use in their baggage, and articles of non-military civil aircraft and their parts, to more complex ones, such as that of, and I'm going to go ahead and read you a few of these examples. Such as that of articles the product of any country that, one, were loaded onto a vessel at the port of loading and in transit on the final mode of transit prior to entering the United States before 12:01 a.m. Eastern Time Standard on February 24th, and two, are entered for consumption or withdrawn from warehouse for consumption before 12:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on February 28th, 2026. Another exception are articles of iron or steel, derivative articles of iron or steel, articles of aluminum, derivative articles of aluminum, passenger vehicles, which can include sedans, sport utility vehicles, crossover utility vehicles, minivans, and cargo vans, and light trucks and parts of passenger vehicles and light trucks, semiconductor articles, semi-finished copper and intensive copper derivative products, wood products, or medium and heavy duty vehicles and buses or medium and heavy duty vehicle parts of any country as provided in subdivision AAV of U.S. Note 2 to subchapter 3 of Chapter 99 of the Harmonized Tariff Schedule of the United States, otherwise known as HTSUS. Articles the product of Canada or Mexico entered duty-free under the US-Mexico-Canada Agreement are another exception, and there are several more. So if you're wondering what your company might be eligible for and how to determine this, as a starting place, you can check out our video related to how to handle potential IEEPA duty refunds. And you can also head over to our website if you want to connect with us. Clark-Esposito is our website. You can schedule a complimentary intake meeting for a time of your convenience. Thanks for watching. Take care.
Subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. Check out our playlist if you want to see more of our videos, and comment below and introduce yourself. We'll see you soon.